didn't get to it, was ADA compliance. How many people have heard ADA compliance? Okay, how many people heard that Domino's got sued because a gentleman that was visually impaired couldn't order a pizza on their mobile app? How many people heard that when the lower courts ruled in the favor of the gentleman that was visually impaired, that Domino's took it to Supreme Court, and Supreme Court threw the case out, so it actually stands? How many people heard that? Okay, so a bunch of franchisors have gone through this whole issue even last year. I mean, talk to Lane about it, because he hears it, right? Because he's in that space as an attorney. He hears a lot of that stuff. Some of the numbers on that is, and I was talking with my friend Ron outside about it. Last year, the lawsuits that happened, we helped a couple of companies bring their sites back up to compliance. And the acceptable level is, I think, WCAG 2.1, AA standard, if you're not selling something on your website. So if you're selling something on your website, you got to be AAA compliant, and that's tough too. Like, that's not easy. But I will say this, that you've got to make sure, every image on your website is descriptive. So the image just can't be image.jpg. It actually has to be a picture of Marcus, Jam, Christian, Marcy, Brandon, and I on a panel discussion, .jpg. Like, it's got to be, it's got to be much more descriptive in the alt text. The color contrast ratios have to be good. Obviously, the screen reader apps have to go out there and read them. Lawsuits are selling at 15 grand, but you're still required to make your website compliant thereafter. And so this is from like an opportunistic attorney last year, 1,600 lawsuits he filed. Beyonce's website got nailed on it. Anyways, all that to say that on your franchise development website, any type of advertising, anything digital that you're doing, your site has to be ADA compliant, so that make sure that people with visual impairments are able to go out there and read the site. There's some types of JavaScript codes and things like that that can really block those screen reader apps, and that can run you into some serious trouble. So anything to that, Christian?